Presenting the Jeep 2013 Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Garmin navigation system, Laredo E-Group, Quick Order Package 26C altitude, disc, trailer tow group 4, Quadra-Track 24WD system, 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 506-watt amplifier, 6 speakers and 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.